Here's how to use the free reports page on your real estate website. These free reports are automated in our system, so a user can go to your website and check off each report that they would like more information on. Or if they'd like to receive all of them, there is a button that they can click on, send me all of these free reports. They can scroll to the bottom and fill out their contact information and the frequency of the reports from daily, every other day, weekly, and monthly. They will continue receiving free reports until all of them are sent out. So after they fill out the form, if they click on Get Free Reports, you will be automatically sent an email that someone signed up for the free report subscription. So they'll have their name and contact information. The user will also receive an email that they signed up for the free reports. In the email, it will have a link that they will need to click on to verify the email address in order to start receiving the reports. After that is done, the user should start receiving the reports, and that is it. Thanks for watching.